Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, I am going to share about the robotic perception. So the core of a modern automation is the robotics. So today, robotic represents a seamless blend of engineering and intelligence. From manufacturing floors to the operating rooms and even the space missions, robots are becoming our extensions nowadays. So enhancing our capabilities, precision and safety. So this session aims to explore how the perception, intelligence and automation work of our robots together used to define the robotics and revolution. Now let's go inside the video. So in this slide, we are going to see about the fields that is the core of a modern robotics. So as the robotics is the heart of artificial intelligence, so it is also an interdisciplinary field that brings together the mechanical engineering, electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence, everything together. So mechanical engineering is mainly used for designing and structuring of robots, electronics for supplying the power and making the communication between the robot and the human, and computer science for using the control and logic over the development of the robotics, artificial intelligence for the perception and decision making. So every robot, regardless for its purpose, depends on four core components like sensors, which is used to perceive, actuators, which is used to move, controllers, which is used to process, and AI algorithms to make the robots intelligently to make a decision or to take a decision. So the key purpose isn't just replacement of the human labor, but the augmentation, empowering the humans to achieve what once it is impossible. So next slide, we are going to see about the industrial robotics. So the industrial robotics is the engine of modern manufacturing. So industrial robots are the backbone of manufacturing. They are used to ensure the precision, consistency and round the clock operations. So they dominate the industries like automotive and electronics, performing the welding, painting, material handling and assembling the machines with unmatched accuracy. So this continuous operation reduces the human error and it also increases the efficiency, which improves in the workplace, which mainly for safety. So industry leaders such as Yasak have set global standards in the industry automations. So next we are going to see about the transforming healthcare. So mainly about the precision and care in the hospitals. Like in healthcare, robotics is transforming like a patient, taking patient care, etc. So we have so many different robots in the medical areas like surgical robots, rehabilitation robots, hospital automation robo, etc. etc. So surgical robots like X or Y, which gives the surgeons 3D visions, high precisions and minimal invasiveness. So rehabilitation robots, which is mainly used to exoskeletons, like helping the patients regaining the movement and independence. Hospital automation robo, mainly now a growing thing, like where it handles the logistics like medicine, sample delivery, freeing the healthcare workers in order to focus more on the patient interactions. So robotic ensures safer surgeries, fast recovery and efficient hospital workflows. So next is about the agriculture. So where we can able to cultivate or we can give the future food to the peoples. Like agriculture is another field where the robotics is driving a massive transformations, like precision farming. Mainly it uses the drones and robots for real-time crop monitoring, and autonomous tractors where it used to harvesters optimize the seeding, irrigation and harvesting for the better yields. So targeted pest control robots, which mainly used to ensures like a minimal chemical use and less environmental impact which it gives. So this robotic revolution is very, very crucial for sustainable and scalable food production. So in the next slide, we use the robotic in everyday automations. So robots in the extreme environment like space defense, etc., etc. So everyday automations where in our daily life the home robots like vacuum cleaners, window washers, etc., we are using. So robots are pioneers in places like humans cannot easily reach, where in space, like Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, it used to collect the valuable data while it handles the complex maintenance on the ISO. In defense, robots can manage high risks like operations such as bomb disposal and reconnaissance using UAVs and autonomous vehicles in order to protect the human lives. So this application says the robotics resilience against the radiations, temperature extremes and communication delays, providing their value beyond the earth and battlefield. So now we see about the everyday automation robots, like mainly used for the domestic and service in our daily lives. Robots are already now we are robots are among us in many homes, many industries, etc. So in our daily lives, home robots like vacuum cleaners, window washers, and lawn mowers simplify. It is mainly used to simplify the human works, and personal assistants like PA used to give the voice and emotional recognition in order to help with the reminders and companionship. So in restaurants and all, the robot serves foods, deliver items, and even assist the customers. So these are the examples show how automation is becoming an integral, invisible part of our lifestyle. So now we'll see about the learning and play. Mainly use the robotic for the entertainment and educational robotics. Like robotics also entertainments equally educates the students. So in entertainment, robotic pets engage audiences in creative and new waves, games, etc. So in education, so platforms like Lego Mindstorms, Vex, NAO robots, which introduces the students mainly for coding, artificial intelligence and engineering through play, that is like a game. So these experiences to cultivate the problem solving and critical thinking among the students, nurturing the innovators for becoming tomorrow's leaders. So the robotic horizon, so the trends in the emerging fields, mainly looking forward in advancing rapidly. Cobots, so work safely alongside humans, combining flexibility and safety. So the AI-driven autonomy allows the robots to learn and adapt new environments. Swarm robotics, it takes the inspiration from nature like ants, birds, to achieve complex tasks collaboratively. So nanorobotics and biorobotics which merge the technology and biology together and breakthrough in medicines, targeted drug delivery, etc. So the future of robotics is not just an intelligent machines, it is about the symbiosis between the humans and technology. So hope this video is useful for you. So let me conclude this video telling about the robotics and perception, which represents the essence of the fourth industrial revolution. From industries to healthcare to homes and to outer space, robots are refining the way we work, heal and live. So the challenge and opportunity now lie in designing the robots are not just intelligent but ethical, collaborative and human centered. Thank you.